Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome to the folks watching on OneSpotMedia.com. Up first this evening, 5 ministers in the previous People's National Party PNP administration and 3 in the current Jamaica Labour Party JLP administration were issued credit cards. The information was revealed by Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark, who defended the issuing of credit cards as a modern convenience. He was speaking on RJR's Beyond the Headlines with Dion Jackson Miller earlier this evening. More in this report.
Debates continue over former Education Minister Royal Reid receiving a government-issued credit card, but Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark reiterated what was said in a circular earlier this week, that the policy of giving credit cards to ministers is not new.
There is a government policy on the approval of credit cards, and that policy has been in place for at least 10 years, and credit cards have been approved for ministers of government from at least 2003.
He said ministers wanting credit cards must apply for them, and the approval is given by the finance minister, and that he said includes Dr. Peter Phillips, who served as a finance minister between 2012 and 2016.
The question asked by Dr. Phillips is a little unfortunate, the rhetorical question. He may have not reminded himself of the policy and of the fact that in the previous administration, at least 6 ministers of government had credit cards approved to be used by them.
He backtracked on the numbers later, saying it was 5, and put the error down to some ministers having more than 1 credit card issued because others were cancelled.
In the previous administration, the information that's available to me is that then Minister Guy, Minister Azan, Minister McNeil at the time, Minister Buchanan at the time, Minister Kellier at the time were issued with government-issued credit cards.
Dr. Clark added that Royal Reid was not the only minister in the Holness administration with a credit card.
And in this administration, Minister Reid was issued one when he was a minister, Minister Bartlett, and Prime Minister Holness. And let me add that previous prime ministers have been issued credit cards. Previous prime ministers from the People's National Party have been issued credit cards as well.
Dashan Hendricks, TVJ News.